I need to tell you something important. What is it? What is it? I've been feeling something strong for you. What do you mean? I mean, I love you. You do. That's a big thing to say. Yes, I've thought about it a lot. You're always on my mind. I don't know what to say. I'm surprised. It's okay. Take your time. I just wanted you to know. Thank you for telling me. It's very brave of you. Do you think you might feel the same way? I like you a lot too. I just need to think about love. I understand. We can take it slow. I would like that. Let's see where things go. I'm happy to hear that. Can we go out this weekend? Yes, that sounds nice. Let's do it. Great. It's a date then. It's a date. Thank you for being honest with me. Thank you for listening. I feel really good now. So, what would you like to do this weekend? How about we go to the park? I love nature. The park sounds perfect. There's a lot to see there, yes. And maybe we can have a picnic too. I love that idea. I'll bring some sandwiches and juice. I'll bring some fruits and cookies. It's a plan then. I'm looking forward to it. Me too. It will be nice to spend time together. Do you like watching the sunset? Yes, it's beautiful. Do you? I do. Maybe we can watch it together at the park. That would be lovely. I'd like that very much. Ashaksa Thani, do you have any favorite spots in the park? I love the Rose Garden. Have you seen it? No, I haven't. Can you show me? Of course. The roses are so beautiful. I'm curious, what's your favorite color for roses? I like yellow roses. They symbolize friendship. That's interesting. I like red roses. They stand for love. Red roses are lovely too. Do you have other favorite spots? I like the lake. It's so peaceful there. Yes, it is. Do you like boating? I've never tried it, have you? Yes, once, and it was fun. Maybe we can try it together. That sounds exciting. I'd love to try boating with you. Great. It will be an adventure. I have a question. What makes you happy? Many things, but I love spending time with family and you. The same. And being in nature, especially with someone special. That's sweet. I think we'll have a great time. I believe so too. Is there anything special you'd like to do? I'd love to take some photos. The park is perfect for pictures. That's a wonderful idea. We will capture our memories. Yes, it will be nice to look back on them. Can I ask you something personal? Yes, of course. What is it? What do you think is important in a relationship? I think trust and honesty are very important. And you, I agree. And I think understanding each other is key too. Do you think friendships can turn into love? Yes, I believe friendship is a strong foundation for love. I think so too. Friendship brings trust and understanding. I'm glad we think alike. It makes me hopeful about us. It's important to talk about these things. Yes, it helps us know each other better. Sure. What is the best way to show love? I think being kind and listening are good ways to show love. I agree, and doing nice things for each other. Yes, like making a gift or helping. Right, you are? Do you remember how we first met? Yes, I do. It was in the library, wasn't it? Right. You were looking for a book on the top shelf and I couldn't reach it. It was too high. I saw you jumping a little to grab it. It was cute. Then you came over and got the book for me. That was nice. I was happy to help, but I was nervous talking to you. Really? I couldn't tell. You seemed confident. I was pretending. Inside, I was like, wow, she's amazing. That's funny. I was thinking what a kind person you were. After that, I kept hoping to see you again in the library. I started visiting the library more, hoping to meet you too. And then we bumped into each other again by the science books. Yes, that time I dropped my notes and we both picked them up. Yes, our heads bumped together. It was like a movie scene. I was embarrassed, but also happy. It was a sweet moment. I felt the same. I knew then I wanted to know you more. And look at us now, planning a picnic in the park. It's amazing how a small moment can lead to something big. It's like fate brought us together in the library. Do you believe in fate? Maybe. Some things are too special to be just chance. I think meeting you is one of those special things. Me too. I'm glad we met that day. Before we say goodbye, I want to say something. What is it? What is it? I want you to know that you have a special place in my heart. You are special to me too. I look forward to our picnic. It will be fun. Let's make it a day to remember. You at the park. Don't forget the cookies. I won't. And don't forget the sandwiches. I'll be thinking of you. Take care until we meet again. You too. Goodbye for now. See you soon.